Hi everyone, my name is Shani Sirwan and I'll be presenting my argumentative paper on effective communication. Is it essential or not essential? The purpose of this presentation is to argue that effective communication is essential. The audience that this presentation intends to reach are the employees and leaders within an organization. Superato 2017, as cited in Augustine 2020, defines effective communication as, and I quote, easy to understand messages conveyed between the sender and the receiver so that the language is more clear and delivery and feedback is complete, unquote. Communication takes several forms, including verbal, non-verbal, and written. Effective communication in the workplace generates benefits such as increased productivity, stronger decision-making, and improved stakeholder response. Organizations where effective communication is critical have seen an increase in productivity. A study conducted by Lambden 2020 revealed that a team-oriented and close-knitted organization culture causes productivity to increase by 20 to 25%. He further added that a high percentage of 97% of workers from a research study highlighted that communication impacts tasks every day. It is evident how crucial communication is in that workplace. For instance, can you imagine being at work trying to complete your task effectively and efficiently, but had to redo your task just because one simple piece of important information was not communicated to you? How would you feel? Another study by Kishan and Wesley 2013 on the impact of employee communication on employee engagement revealed that researchers Fitag and Pitcher Dutchler 2004 stated that effective communication helps employees to better understand their tasks to achieve organizational goals. Alongside increased productivity, effective communication has also made decision-making within organizations stronger. Addison 2003, as cited in McKen, argues that the foundation of decision-making in an organization is based on communication. Researchers Chinny, Christini, Zorn, and Ganesh, as cited in McKen, noted the communication-dependent decision-making model, which is based on decisional premises such as communication channels. The noted examples of this are hierarchy and matrix organizations. In addition, researchers Het et al., as cited in McKen, posited that communication is so important in organizations as it is used to measure the effectiveness of decisions. He also emphasized that effective communication is essential for organizations when implementing strategies and decisions, as they will need to be communicated before they can be transformed into action. It is evident when effective communication occurs, gossip and rumors decrease. Organizations effectively communicating to their stakeholders are essential as it builds strong positive relationships. A study by Young 2006, as cited in Rehans, noted that effective communication is key to stakeholder management. It determines how well, what, when, and how information is delivered to them. Nick Vick et al. Noted that in order for any project to be successful, it first starts with effective stakeholder communication. Another research by Orvenizzi and Momente stated that when information is communicated to stakeholders, it allows for the unification of the organization's goals and also for the shaping of minds and reputation. My opponents will argue that Capra 2018 indicates that effective communication is ineffective due to the barriers that disrupt the course of communication. Research by Zenib stated that the common barriers that are part of an organization are perpetual, emotional, language, cultural, and physical. Perpetual barriers refers to the differences in points of view that may cause disagreements and hinders the flow of effective communication. The emotional barriers relates to one's state of mind, which can be positive or negative, and which may have an impact on their ability to communicate with others. The language barriers relates to the type of language used to express one's thoughts and ideas. International workers may not be too familiar with the commonly used language and as a result may not understand what is being communicated. The cultural barriers refers to when persons of the different religions and customs cannot communicate efficiently with others. The physical barrier is any physical object such as closed doors or space that blocks the communication among others in the organization. These are the pertinent barriers that disrupt effective communication flow in an organization. However, my opponent failed to note that everything does not exist in a perfect spectrum, and these same barriers can be overcome by strategies. As it relates to cultural barriers, Jennifer and Raymond noted that implementing cross-cultural knowledge training so that everyone is aware of each other's culture, which can improve communication. A study conducted by Rennie indicated that language barriers can be overcome by using visuals such as photographies, drawings, and diagrams. She further noted that environmental barriers can be overcome by listening to staff and ensuring that they are comfortable with their environment. Overall, effective communication is essential in any organization as it increases productivity, fosters stronger decision-making, and improves stakeholder response. Leaders in organizations should strive to maintain effective communication within all levels of the organization, as communication is the basis for the successful implementation of any decision and action. Here ends my presentation. These are my references used within this presentation. I thank you.